Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2022 Hyundai Elantra. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Start your day in smart style in this feature-packed Elantra. You'll love its ergonomic controls, standard rear-view camera, refined ride, modern looks, and confidence-inspiring safety features. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, heated mirrors, satellite radio, alarm, electronic stability control, heated front seat, steering wheel audio controls. Feel the good energy that permeates this innovative Elantra. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.